Implementing and visualizing valuation models using Python helps enhance the understanding and application of these techniques. We will cover dividend discount models, DDM, free cash flow, FCF valuation, and relative valuation, demonstrating how to perform these analyses and visualize the results effectively. To begin with valuation models implementation, install the necessary libraries using PEEP, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and yfinance. These libraries provide the tools required for data manipulation, numerical operations, visualization, and accessing stock data. Import the libraries in your Python script to start the analysis. Let's implement the constant growth dividend discount model, DDM. Define a function to calculate the stock price based on the expected dividend, required return, and growth rate. Using example data, we calculate the stock price and visualize the projected dividends over time. Implement the free cash flow, FCF, valuation model by defining a function to calculate the present value of projected free cash flows and the terminal value. Using example data, calculate the company value and visualize the projected free cash flows over time. Perform relative valuation by gathering financial data for a set of companies and calculating valuation ratios such as PE, PB, PS, and EV/EBITDA. Using this data, compare the ratios to industry averages or peers and visualize the results. Combine multiple valuation models to evaluate a single company by implementing the DDM, FCF, and relative valuation models. Compare the results from different models and visualize the combined valuation to gain comprehensive insights into the company's intrinsic value. Implementing valuation models using Python involves defining functions, inputting data, calculating values, and visualizing results. Using multiple models, such as DDM, FCF, and relative valuation, provides a comprehensive view of a company's intrinsic value. Integrating Python enhances the accuracy, efficiency, and visualization of these valuations, aiding in informed investment decisions.